Good morning once again, and welcome to today's lesson on methods of teaching biology. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the purpose of classroom management. So, most often than not, I say, why do teachers need to manage their classroom? So, this session will take a quick look at the purpose of managing the classroom. So, there are various purposes for managing the classroom, and we will discuss few of such purposes. So by the end of this session, you will be able to enumerate three purposes of managing classrooms. So this is the objective for this session. Now, purpose of classroom management. One, to ensure that classroom teaching runs smoothly despite the disruptive behavior of some students. You have to ensure that classroom teaching runs smoothly despite the disruptive behavior of some students. Teachers need to manage the classroom so that no matter the nature of disruptive behavior put up by some students, the teacher will be able to have a conducive environment to teach without being affected by those disruptive behaviors. So that is very important since it is very difficult to eradicate disruptive behaviors altogether. So by managing the classroom, you will be able to have a relatively conducive environment to teach your students. So that is the first point. That is the first explanation for the first point. The next one is to alert students of what is expected of them. To alert students of what is expected of them. Now, at this point, we are trying to say that classroom management intimates to students their duties as well as attitudes and behaviors expected from them. So this helps to put students in check and create an environment where everyone knows his or her role. So to maximize the time for teaching and learning activities. So these are very important in order to alert students of what is expected of them. And also, if the classroom is not managed well, then the teacher will have to use a lot of the instructional time to punish or shape students' behavior. So a properly managed classroom is ready for instruction as soon as the teacher enters the class. So the teacher does not waste time on class control measures. So that is very, very, very key here. The next point is to provide a conducive learning environment for students. To provide a conducive learning environment for students. That is very important. Okay, so in this session, we've learned about classroom management, the purpose of classroom management. So in reviewing what we've learned so far, I want you to answer these questions. So the first question is state three purposes of classroom management. And then the next question, I'm saying discuss three purposes of classroom management. You state the three purposes and then you discuss. So I believe when you're able to do this, then it means you understood this session.